Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nick and today we will talk about how to buy XRP on Bybit without fees. So let's get started. First of all, go to Assets at the top right and click on your unified trading account. Okay, so firstly you need to make sure that your USDC are on your unified trading account. If your USDC on your funding account, just go to your funding account, click on transfer for USDT and transfer your USDT from your funding to your unified trading account. Okay, after that we can go to trade at the very top and click on spot. And here you'll find the list with all crypto pairs, for example Doggy and USDT, but now we need to find XRP and USDT. Let's click on it. Okay, here it is. So on this page we can easily buy XRP. How to do it? On the right side you can find this window. There you can easily buy and sell this coin. So to buy it, click on buy, select spot, and of course click on market to buy XRP for market price. Okay, here we need to create an order. To do it, just enter here an amount in USDT. And for example, I want to buy XRP for $1. Click on it and click on buy XRP. And as you can see, for $1, I will get 0.42 XRP. And of course, I need to confirm this order. Click on it, and that's all. So this is how you can easily buy XRP on Bybit without fees. Of course, you can find your XRP on your unified trading account. Yeah, here it is. So hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.